everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm back to share another small little haul and another couple of wreaths that I created. You guys, I'm on a roll. And I did have to go back to Dollar Tree. I went to a different Dollar Tree this time because a coworker of mine requested that I make her one. She said she wants to buy one from me, and so I thought, okay, let me see what I can do. I finally found these, you guys. So yay, one of the Dollar Tree near me that I hardly ever go to. I guess I've kind of forgotten that there was another Dollar Tree there. And anyway, they had them. So you guys, I stocked up. I think I picked up 5 of these. I did grab a couple of these right here. I saw these and I was looking for the baby's breath by itself. They didn't have it. So I decided to just get some roses that had them. And then I got this one here too. I've actually cut the baby's breath off this one. Oh, I had to get some more mesh. So, because I did run out of my red one, but the one they had there, it was red. They had a red mesh, but I think it was red and it had gold stripes on them. So I wasn't too crazy about the gold. I don't know. I might just go back for that one because I have no red. So I will be using this one right here. I actually did supplement my second wreath with this one because I didn't have enough of the red mesh. I thought I had plenty of that one, but you know, I guess I used it all up with the first wreath. So I was just a little bit short. So I did use this one right here. And then use the same ribbon because my coworker wanted it pretty much the same as the one I created the first time. And then I had to get more pipe cleaners. They only had multiple colors. They didn't have just plain white. So I went ahead and just got this one here, the tinsel one. I did get this piece right here. I'm thinking, I don't know if she wants a sign in the middle, although she liked my wreath just the way it was, but I just picked this up just in case. I might just put it on another wreath. Anyway, it says XOXO, as you can see there. It says love, XOXO, and Valentine, and it is metal. So, and then I did pick this one up. I've seen people using this on the wreath as well, and they're actually just taking it off. They're pulling it apart. They're taking it off the ribbon and just adding it, just gluing it on their wreaths. So I just went ahead and got it just in case I was going to use it, but we'll see. I kind of like it plain, to tell you the truth. I do want to put a sign in the middle, you know, some kind of a welcome sign, but I just haven't really found the one I wanted. Like, I just want a small strip because all my signs that I have are too big. So even my little red truck, I couldn't use it. I did also get this floral foam because I found this and I want to do a little centerpiece for my table, for my kitchen table. I thought this would be perfect. Still debating whether I'm going to paint it. I kind of do like that galvanized look, so I might just leave it like this. We'll see. But stay tuned for that project. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my wreath. So here is my second wreath. This is the one that I'm going to be selling to my coworker. I ran out of the red mesh, and so as you can see there are the white and red mesh that I also tucked in between. And so this one has a little bit more pinks in it. And aside from that, though, I think that was the only change that I made. So it very much looks like the last wreath. And then this one right here, I wanted to make a pink and white one for myself. I did have that white, that big roll of white mesh, and it doesn't have any sparkle on it though. So as you can see there, I did add a little sparkly tulle. in between the layers. I used pink flowers instead of the red, and I added the pink gingham hearts. It's so sweet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.